Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Lyft Driver, full guide step by step clearly. To register as a Lyft driver, start by visiting the official Lyft website or downloading the Lyft Driver app. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, Lyft will send you a verification code via SMS. Input the verification code to verify your phone number. Next, provide your email address. Create a secure password for your account. Follow the prompts to enter your first and last name. Now, you will need to enter your vehicle information. Make sure to have the necessary details about your car ready, such as the make, model, and year. Once you have entered your vehicle information, upload any required documents. Be prepared to provide a valid driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance. Next, Lyft will conduct a background check to ensure your eligibility. This process may take a few days, so be patient. While you wait, familiarize yourself with Lyft's community guidelines and driver requirements. After passing the background check, you will receive an email confirmation from Lyft. Now, it's time to complete your driver profile. Upload a clear profile picture to represent yourself on the platform. Next, set your driving preferences, such as your availability and preferred areas. You may also want to explore the Lyft Driver app features to optimize your experience. Once your profile is completed, you are ready to start driving. Open the app and log in to your account. Set your status to active to begin accepting ride requests. Congratulations! You are now officially registered as a Lyft driver. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.